The OBDPEAK 3-camera dash cam is a game-changer in the world of automotive technology. With its triple camera system, expansive touch-screen display, and advanced safety features, it offers unparalleled peace of mind and security on the road. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, trust OBDPEAK to enhance your driving experience and keep you safe every mile of the way. Document your driving experiences with the OBDPEAK Dash Cam's video registrator function. Record your journey in high-definition video, preserving memorable moments and ensuring accountability in case of accidents or disputes. Protect your vehicle even when it's parked with the OBDPEAK Dash Cam's parking monitor feature. The device automatically activates recording when motion or impact is detected, providing valuable evidence in the event of vandalism or theft. Drive with confidence, day or night, thanks to the OBDPEAK Dash Cam's advanced night vision technology. Capture clear and detailed footage in low light conditions, ensuring optimal visibility and safety on the road. Enjoy unparalleled clarity and detail with the 4K front camera, capturing crisp and vibrant footage of your surroundings. Meanwhile, the 1080p rear camera provides clear visuals of vehicles and obstacles behind you, enhancing safety during reverse maneuvers. Unique to the OBDPEAK Dash Cam is the interior camera with a flip design. This innovative feature allows you to discreetly monitor the interior of your vehicle when needed, ensuring added security and peace of mind. Immerse yourself in crystal clear visuals with the expansive 11.26-inch touchscreen display. Navigate menus, view footage, and adjust settings with ease, all at your fingertips. The intuitive interface ensures seamless operation, allowing you to focus on the road ahead.